Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see identifying different saddle components. Our flagship courses are Master Static Equipment Design and PVE Light, ASME Section 8 Division 2, and Master Welded Storage Tank, as per API 650. We have curated courses to suit your learning needs, so do visit our learning platform for more details on scootoid.thinkific.com.
Let us see if we can identify them. Okay. Tell me, what is this item? Is it rib? I'm talking about this part, which is getting extended. Can you see my arrow, the vertical part in the center? Can you see that? Whatever I'm pointing on the screen, I'll again show it with the white color. This part we are talking about. Okay, the vertical member here. So what is that? Again, if you want, I'll just highlight the arrow. It's pointing to this item. What is that? So now most of you might be confused in web or rib. So what is it? Whether it is rib or it is web. It's the web plate. Okay, remember, it's the web plate. Okay. So never get confused with these parts. Now, the bottommost plate, I think everybody will be able to identify that. The bottommost plate, it's a base plate, right? Great. I think everybody will be able to identify this part. Now, the third item. What is this item? Third, you can see the arrow very clearly. So wear with W-I-E-R, or W-E-I-R, or W-E-A-R. What is it? It's W-E-A-R. Okay. The W-E-I-R is different. Okay. Great. So it's the wear plate, W-E-A-R. Remember that. Okay. So wear plate. Now the fourth item. You see the fourth arrow, the stiffeners kind of thing coming, which are welded to your web plate. What is that? These are the ribs. Okay. Rib plate. Right?
For in-depth training and to learn more about these courses, register with the link in the description.